Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video, we are going to answer a question that comes up, and that's whether you should shift the transmission from drive to park while the vehicle is still moving. While in theory, you can do that on vehicles that have a mechanical link between the shifter, like we do here in this case, to the transmission. You can, in theory, do that. But if you do that while driving, you're going to cause problems to the automatic transmission. And if you might have done that accidentally sometimes when you're still rolling and then the vehicle hasn't fully stopped and then you moved it to park, you've heard a noise coming from the transmission. Doing that once might not damage the transmission, but doing that frequently can cause problems. Now there's vehicles that have newer vehicles have electronic shifters. They're usually buttons. Those have what's called shift by wire, so there's no mechanical link between the shifter and the transmission. It's just electrical wires. On those vehicles, you cannot even shift from drive to park while driving, because you're going to get a warning on the dashboard says you can't do that, because the computer in the vehicle detects that, hey, you're still moving, you should be completely stopped in order to carry out that operation, and it's just not going to let you shift from drive to park. So yes, you can on older vehicles shift from drive to park or reverse to park, but you should not do that if the vehicle hasn't fully stopped. And on newer vehicles, you can't even do that anymore. And that's just a safety feature to prevent damage to the automatic transmission. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye.